So nagluto ko og cabbage roll kay akong ipakaon sa akong husband. So simple lang na pagkaon, guys, para sa akong husband kay aron everyday is different. So guys, I'm cooking for my husband for his dinner. So I made up cabbage roll because I love to feed him when he comes from work. So they said that to win man's heart is through the stomach. So we have to take care of our husband because that's the only thing we can do to show our love and care. So since I love cooking and I love my husband, so I do both. I love him, I cook for him, I serve him, I take good care of him. So hello guys, that doesn't mean that I'm below or I'm a slave or I'm his helper. No, because I love him and I'm his wife. So I do everything for my love for him. So yeah, cooking is part of it. So thank you for watching our vlog. See you next time.